Hell yeah.
Yes,
I want you to sound red.
but Master, you know how he is. He'll never accept.
You have to try. We need help and he was your best friend, right? What do you want?
You know why I am here.
I don't really want to do this. But okay. I'll help you.
Great. But please before that, put some pants on. You're naked.
Fuck. My life. Okay, I am done now. Why are you blushing?
Let's go.
Finally you're here. Oh, you're wearing clothes.
Fuck you.
Anyway, are you going to help us?
That's why I am here.
We need to test your power, so go in the training room. Wow, you actually killed them all.
Amazing.
But wait, where's your sword?
I sold it for a pack of cigarettes.